Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Al Qura Book 1 Lesson 1. So in the previous session we started with the first page of the PDF and we learned few of the vocabularies, and so today we'll continue with the lesson 1. So let's begin. Bismillah. Here on top it is written At-Tadribat. Okay? At-Tadribat. At-Tadribat means the exercises. Okay? At-Tadribat means exercises. So in Madina Arabic book, we have covered that the Arabic term for exercise was tamreen, right? The Arabic term for exercise was tamreen in Madina Arabic book, but in Al Qura book, the Arabic term for exercise is at-tadribat, meaning same. It also means exercise. Okay. So here it is written at-tadribul awwal. At-tadribul awwal. At-tadribu, it means exercise, and awwal means one. So this is exercise number 1. Okay. And over here it is written Ikra al kalimatul atiyat. Okay. Ikra al kalimatul atiyat. Ikra means read. Kalimat means words. And atiyat means following. Okay. So final translation is read the following words. So in this exercise, what we have to do is we just have to read the words mentioned in order to improve our pronunciation, our reading practice for Arabic terms. So that's it. That's it we have to do in this exercise. So let's begin. Here the first word is kurrasatun. Kurrasatun. So we have learned that kurrasatun means a notebook. Okay. Kurrasatun means a notebook. Kurrasatun means a notebook. Okay. Next word is qalamun. Qalamun. Qalamun means a pen. Okay. Qalamun means a pen. Next word is maq'adun. Maq'adun. Maq'adun means a seat. Okay. Or a chair. Maq'adun. Maq'adun means a seat. Next word is mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Next term is wa. Wa means and. Okay. Wa means and. After that, here it is written kitabun. Kitabun. Kitabun means a book. Okay. Kitabun means a book. After that, here it is written maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun means a desk. Okay. Maktabun means a desk. After that, here it is written mistaratun. 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 It means a scale. Okay. And the last word here is saburatun. 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 It means a writing board. It means a writing board. It could be whiteboard or blackboard, green board, any writing board that we see in the classroom. So all these words are vocabulary of the classroom. So this was our lesson 1 topic, right? So these all words are related to classroom. Now here next it is written at-tadribu sani. Tadribu, it means exercise, and sani means second. Okay. So this is exercise number 2. So here what we have to do is there is image. Okay, there is image, and from these three options here we need to choose the correct option of what is the name of this image. Okay, there are three words written, so we need to pick the correct word, the correct term that is suitable to the image. So we need to name the image based on the options here given. So the first option is kurrasatun. Kurrasatun. So we know that kurrasatun means a notebook. Okay. Kurrasatun means a notebook. Is this a notebook? No, right? This is not a notebook. Next option is mistaratun. Mistaratun meaning a scale. Mistaratun. Is this a scale? No, right? So this is also not a correct option. The third is sabburatun. Sabburatun. It means a writing board. So this is the correct option because the image is of a writing board. Okay. Now next image here. This is what? This is a notebook. So let's find out what is the correct answer of the Arabic term, the options given here. The first word here is maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun, we know that it means a desk. Is this a desk? No, right? This is not a desk. So this is wrong. Next here it is kitabun. Okay? Kitabun. Kitabun means a book. Is this a book? This is a notebook as per the image that we have learned in the vocabulary section, right? So based on that, this is incorrect. The third is kurrasatun. Kurrasatun. And we have learned that kurrasatun means a notebook. So the correct answer is kurrasatun. Okay? Kurrasatun. Kurrasatun is the correct answer, meaning a notebook. Now let's move on to the next page. Before that, let me just clear. Here it is written kitabun as the answer, but this is not correct. The correct answer is kurrasatun, meaning a notebook. Okay. Now moving on to the next page. Here there is image and we know that what is this? This is a scale. Okay. So let's find out the correct word from the options given here. The first one is qalamun. Qalamun. We know that qalamun means a pen. Is this a pen? No, right? This is not a pen. So this is incorrect. The second is sabburatun. Sabburatun. Sabburatun means a writing board. Is this a writing board? No, right? This is not a writing board. This is a scale. So this option is also incorrect. The third one is mistaratun. Mistaratun meaning a scale. So this is the correct answer. Mistaratun. Okay. Moving on to the next. Here this is image of a book. Okay. Here this is image of a book. So let's find out the right answer. The first option is kitabun. Okay. Kitabun. Kitabun means a book. And this is also image of a book. However, we'll find out the meaning of the other options as well first. Okay. Next is kurrasatun. Kurrasatun. Kurrasatun means a notebook. Okay. Kurrasatun means a notebook. But this is a book based on the vocabulary that we have learned. Okay. So this is incorrect. The third option is qalamun. Qalamun means a pen. So this is also incorrect. So kitabun is the right answer. Okay. Moving on. Here this is image of a desk. Right? Here this is image of a desk. Let's find out the answer from the options. Here it is written kitabun. Kitabun. Kitabun means a book. But this is not a book, right? So this is wrong. This is incorrect. Next is maktabun. Maktabun. Maktabun means a desk. Okay, and this is image of a desk. So this is correct. Let's find out the third option as well. Mistaratun. Mistaratun. Mistaratun means a scale. So this is also incorrect. So maktabun is the correct answer. Next here, this person here. Who is this? This is a teacher, right? So here we have option mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Okay. And we have to find out the Arabic term for teacher. So mudarrisun, this is correct. Let's see other options as well. Maq'adun. Maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat. Okay, a seat or a chair. Maq'adun. So this is incorrect because we need to find the Arabic term for teacher. Next is qalamun. Qalamun means a pen, so this is also incorrect. Mudarrisun is the correct answer. Okay, mudarrisun meaning a teacher. Next here is image of a pen. Okay, image of a writing instrument. So the first option here is maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat or a chair. The second option is mudarrisun. Mudarrisun meaning a teacher. And third is qalamun. Qalamun meaning a pen. Okay. So these two options are incorrect because this is not a pen. The third option, qalamun, is correct. Okay. Based on the image here. Okay. Now last one here, it is a seat or a chair, right? So the first option is maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat or a chair. The second option is mistaratun. Mistaratun. Mistaratun meaning a scale. So this is incorrect. Okay, because this here is a seed. Okay. And the third is sabburatun. Sabburatun meaning a writing board. So this is also incorrect, and the correct answer is maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat or a chair. Okay. So now let's revise all the things that we covered in today's session. So here the topic is at-tadribat meaning exercises, and we completed two exercises, right? At-tadribul awwal and at-tadribul sani. So in exercise 1 or at-tadribul awwal, what we had to do was we had to read the following words, okay, to improve our vocabulary and to improve our pronunciation of Arabic terms. The first word was kurrasatun. Kurrasatun meaning a notebook. After that it was qalamun. Qalamun meaning a pen. The third was maq'adun. Maq'adun meaning a seat or a chair, okay? And after that it was mudarrisun. Mudarrisun meaning a teacher. Following that was wa. Okay? Wa meaning and. After that it was kitabun. Kitabun meaning a book. The next was maktabun. Maktabun meaning a desk. Okay. After that, it was mistaratun. Mistaratun meaning a scale. And the last word of exercise 1 or at-tadribul awwal was sabburatun. Sabburatun meaning a writing board. Okay. Then next we did was at-tadribus sani, meaning exercise 2. And in exercise 2, what we had to do was there is image given, and from the three options, we had to pick the right term, the right Arabic word for that image. The first image was of a writing board, and from the three option, the third option, Sabburatun, was the correct one. Sabburatun meaning a writing board. The second was image of a notebook, right? Image of a notebook. And from the three options, again the third one was the right, because Kurrasatun means a notebook. Okay? Kurrasatun means a notebook. So this option was correct. Following that, on the next page, the image was of a scale, right? And from the three options, the third option, Mistaratun, it means scale. So this was the correct one. Mistaratun meaning a scale. After that, this was the image of a book, right? Image of a book. And from the three options, the first one was correct. Kitabun. Kitabun meaning a book. And after that, this is the image of a desk, right? And from three options here, the second one was correct because it means maktabun. Maktabun means a desk. And after that, we had to choose Arabic term for a teacher. And from the three options here, the first one, mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher, and this is the correct answer. Mudarrisun. Okay. And here next was image of a pen. Okay, image of a pen or a writing instrument, which could also mean a pencil or a pen, but in general we refer to pen, for which the right answer was qalamun. Qalamun means a pen or a writing instrument. Okay, and final, the last word here, and it was image of a seat or a chair. Okay, where a person can take a seat. Okay, so from the three options, the first one, maq'adun, this is the correct answer. Maq'adun, it means a seat or a chair. So that's it for today's session. In the next video, I'll continue with the further exercise of lesson 1, book 1. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not, and push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.